Hi guys! Today we'll learn how to link WhatsApp to another phone. First of all, open WhatsApp on your main phone. Once it's open, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Settings option. This is where all account and device-related features are available, including linking devices. After opening Settings, you'll see the Linked Devices option. Tap on it because this is where you manage all the devices connected to your WhatsApp account. Honestly, this section makes it super easy to connect another phone. Now, on the Linked Devices screen, you'll notice a green plus icon labeled Link a Device. Tap on it, and your main phone will show a QR code. This QR code is what we'll scan from the second phone to link WhatsApp. Next, take your new phone and install WhatsApp if it's not already installed. Once installed, open WhatsApp. Now look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on the 3 dots to open additional options. After tapping the 3 dots, select the Continue on Companion Device option. Then scan the QR code displayed on your main phone. Once scanned, both phones will be linked and you can use WhatsApp on both devices seamlessly. And that's it. Now WhatsApp is linked on your second phone and works perfectly on both devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below telling us which phone you're linking.